Hello. Okay, so this platform is super fun. This is called Class Dojo, and I've heard about it as a parent, but it's completely new to me as a teacher. Um, I we have a lot of teachers in our school who use this platform, but I haven't yet because I'm not really sure how to integrate it with the art room. But so it's something that I'm definitely investigating in a platform I'm sort of learning about. It does work across all devices, and it's really nice because you can integrate it really easily with, like, if I have a cell phone on me and I take a picture of the class, and then I can share that with the teacher or with the parents, and it works in a gamification style so the students can earn points and those sorts of things. And the way it works is their classroom teacher does that, but because I'm a specials teacher, I need to figure out how that's going to integrate. And I don't know if I would need to set up my own or what, and that's one of those things that I'm not really going to know about until I get into the classroom and start using it and figuring out what works. But it's really cool, and I've been looking at it and trying to figure out how we can integrate with it. So this is sort of the basic platform for the teacher. You can set up a class, and you can, like, for your school. So since I'm an art teacher, I probably would most likely just post in for the school. So any teacher that has their students set up, they would get to see and share photos of what the students were doing in the art room to the parents. And our school's really working on communication and trying to be open with the parents and have that widely spread communication, but that's difficult with, like, privacy practices, and how can you do that and have it easily accessible for the parents without having you get into that sticky situation of Facebook and social media sites. And a lot of parents don't want to add yet another app to their phone, but this one has seemed to be pretty widely acceptable because a lot of schools in the area are using it. Now, this would be something that I could possibly use for my K through maybe 5, definitely 4th grade students, but when I get into 6th, 7th, and 8th, probably not going to be as popular for them. So I don't think that I could possibly use it for that. But you can communicate with parents on here, so you can communicate with the teachers. So it's a pretty cool platform. There's lots of stuff you can do. Each student gets assigned this little character. The whole class has this meme, and there's just you can create portfolios and tell stories. So, like, if you're working on a special project, you can kind of keep track of it and show about it. And our school does a lot of fundraisers, so it's something that I could use for that to help utilize some of those things. So this would be an incentives-based thing that I could use for the students, and also a communication tools to help spread the word of what we're doing in the classroom with the parents. Specifically, the ISTE standards, ISTE C3D, model and promote management of personal data and digital identity and protect student data privacy. I think this is really important because you have to be specifically invited to Class Dojo. So, we're able to be interactive and show a lot of pictures of the students without actually posting them online. And ISTE, you're posting them online, but you're not posting them on a widely spread open source social media site. ISTE C4A, dedicate planning time to collaborate with colleagues to create authentic learning experiences that leverage technology. And the way that this platform would do that is because I am an art teacher, I can kind of communicate with the teachers in here, and I can, kind of say, hey, Joe had a really good day, or, like I said, post pictures so they can see. I can also look at what the other teachers are doing in their classrooms, so I can see, oh, hey, Mrs. Franklin's class is talking about Isaac Newton. I'm going to tie in the fact that, he was the inventor of the color wheel. When we talk about the color, we'll say, hey, you guys are talking about Isaac Newton. So I can easily tie in things, and so the students will know kind of that I know what's going on in their lives, and I'm paying attention. So that's Class Dojo. It's been around. A lot of schools are using it. I personally have not been using it, so it is new to me. And it is free, and it works on multiple devices. And I think I've answered everything. All right.